me. 10 o'clock at night. Can't sleep. This damn alarm. Can't with Hulk on it. 10 o'clock at night.
What is it?
It's still talking to us. I'm gonna kick it in the face. I can't handle it.
You're going outside.
Don't throw it outside. It's still talking. There's this possession. Exorcism of the freaking fire alarm up in here.
I'm putting this outside. I'm putting the devil box.
So I feel like we were just a part of paranormal activity up in here. This is intense. It's almost 11 o'clock. We can't sleep. This stupid alarm. Kim just took it apart.
That's what a beast on that.
She did. See? Took that stuff down. Ripped it out.
I put 6 pillows over my head, pretty much. I still could go to bed.